In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word document in mobile in 2021. So it doesn't matter if you're on iOS, so iPhone or Android, just follow the steps I'm taking. First step is to open up your browser on your phone, go to Google and search for File Converter. There we go, search for that. And now there are a bunch of websites that show up. But for me, the first one, ranking first in Google, is the Online Converter by online-convert.com. You want to use that, so click the link. Now you're on the free online file converter. In order to convert PDF to Word on mobile, you want to scroll down. As you can see, below device converter, you can see PDF to Word. Convert a PDF file to doc or Microsoft DocX format. Click that. Now, all you have to do on this page is click Choose Files. Deny that. Good. Now, as you can see, we use this file, upload it. It's already been uploaded. Now, as you can see, the next step would be to click Start Conversion, this green button here. Click that. This will lead you over to the online converter in progress. It's now processing, and I will be back once this is done. Okay, so now that the conversion is done and the converter is done processing your PDF into a Word document, as you can see, your converted file, how YouTube videos are discovered, you can click download over here on the right. Click that. There we go. Do you want to download again? Download. There we go. Downloading file. Open. There we go. Opening on Microsoft Word. There we go. And as you can see, we have downloaded this file as a Word document and successfully converted a PDF to Word document in mobile in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.